Good morning this Monday, the 22nd of August. I'm Grady Wolfe, a market analyst with Bell Direct. The local market closed just 1 point higher on Friday but gained just over 1% for the week, led by the materials sector jumping more than 3.4% for the week. The energy sector had its best session in months on Friday, with energy stocks boosted by the passing of the US Inflation Reduction Act last week. Investors piled into Santos on Friday, with the energy giant jumping more than 6% just a day after releasing its first half results, including NPAT surging over 300% and revenue up 85%. Whitehaven Coal also added over 6% on Friday, while New Hope and BHP each gained over 4% during the session. Investors have been punishing companies that have reported so far who have failed to pass on the higher cost of raw materials to customers or failed to provide guidance for FY23, including AGL Energy, poultry company Inghams Group and packaging group Amcor. On the losing front, TPG Telecom took the biggest hit on Friday, tumbling more than 12% after the telco giant released first half results that were uneventful, including service revenue coming in flat, average revenue per user just 1%, and EBITDA down 5.3%. Inghams Group also fell over 9% and PointsBet lost over 6.5%. The most traded stocks by Bell Direct clients last week were IPH, Worley and Domino's Pizza. Now, over in the US, all three key indices closed lower on Friday and for the week, with the S&P 500 snapping a 4-week winning streak as investors broadly sold out of the market, following the release of the Fed's latest meeting minutes. Investors have taken the minutes as the Fed being more hawkish about its approach to tackling inflation in the world's largest economy, and fear another aggressive interest rate hike will follow in the September FOMC meeting. Locally today, the ASX is expected to open lower following that turbulent session on Wall Street on Friday. We're set for another bumper earnings season this week, with over 115 companies set to report, including Qantas, Ampol and the Star Entertainment Group. Taking a look at the commodities, oil has rebounded from last week's dip to trade 0.3% higher this morning. Iron ore is trading flat, natural gas is up just 1% and gold is trading more than 0.5% lower. On the economic data front this week, investors will be keeping a very close eye on US GDP data out later this week to see whether the world's largest economy continue to contract into a recession or rebounded to growth in the second quarter to ease recession fears that are currently plaguing the market. And to start the week off, let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration. Trading Central has identified a bullish signal on red dirt metals, indicating the stock price may rise from the close of 49 cents per share to the range of 61 to 63 cents per share over around 48 days, which was the amount of time the pattern took to form, according to the standard principles of technical analysis. On the other hand, Bell Potter has reduced its target share price on Inghams Group to $2.90 per share following the release of the poultry group's FY22 results, including elevated costs and adverse sales mix. And Trading Central has a bearish signal on Adairs with a target price of $1.65 to $1.85 per share, down from the close of $2.55 per share, which may be achieved over the next 40 days, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all for this morning. I'm Grady Wolfe with Bell Direct. Have a wonderful trading day and happy investing.